When it comes to affiliate marketing, most beginners are handed a single link and told, "Good luck." What follows is frustration, duct taping together funnels, autoresponders, tracking tools, and follow-up systems from 5 different platforms, spending more money and time than you ever imagined, and still ending up stuck before earning a single commission. That's where OLSP changes the game. The question is simple. Is one link really enough? The answer, with OLSP's done-for-you system, is a resounding yes. Unlike the usual link and pray programs that throw you into chaos, OLSP gives you a fully automated, complete ecosystem designed for beginners who want results without tech overwhelm. It's a system built to help you earn while you learn, with automation handling the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing your business instead of wrestling with complicated software. Inside OLSP, that one link connects you to a pre-built funnel, automatic email follow-ups, professional tracking, and structured training that guides you step by step toward high-commission sales. It's not just another shiny tool, it's a system that does what marketers dream of, turning complicated workflows into a seamless machine. This video breaks down the difference between the old way and the OLSP way. The old way leaves you with a bloated to-do list and endless confusion, forcing you to juggle 5 platforms and burn out before seeing any traction. The OLSP way simplifies everything. You plug in one link, follow the guidance, and start seeing how automation builds momentum even while you sleep. Beginners and busy creators alike love it because it removes the tech barrier that stops most affiliates from ever reaching their goals. You'll see firsthand how OLSP's onboarding process reduces overwhelm, how the built-in training keeps you moving forward, and how the done-for-you funnel and follow-up system convert leads into commissions automatically. If you're ready to stop analyzing and start earning, this system could be the turning point you've been waiting for. And for those who want to go deeper, grab the free Secrets to High Commission Sales checklist at https://affiliateprofitblog.system.io, opt-in short, https affiliateprofitblog.system.io, opt-in short, HT, and check out the $7 OLSP offer with the same DFY tools we'll discuss at https://lbenchq.com OLSP, https lbenchq.com OLSP. Subscribe to the channel for honest done-for-you reviews and step-by-step growth plans, and drop a comment saying one link if you want my exclusive onboarding notes that make setup even easier. Share this with anyone tired of piecing together random tools and ready to work smarter instead of harder. In the end, OLSP isn't just a platform, it's proof that success in affiliate marketing doesn't require chaos, confusion, or endless tech struggles. Sometimes, one link really is enough.